Did you know changing your air filter yourself can save you money? Auto shops often charge double or more for something you can do in 10 minutes. Changing the air filter on a Volvo XC60 is one of the easiest and most important maintenance tasks you can DIY. Over time, your air filter gets clogged with dust, pollen, and debris, choking airflow to your engine. This leads to sluggish performance, reduced fuel efficiency, and potential engine strain. Air filter box is right on top of the engine, secured with Torx or Phillips screws. Remove the cover and take out the old filter. If it's dark, dusty, or full of debris, it's time for a replacement. Oh, it's bad. Drop in a new filter, make sure it's seated correctly, and close it back up. A clean air filter helps your XC60 breathe better, improves fuel economy, and keeps your engine running smoothly. Change it every 12 to 15,000 miles or more often if you drive in dusty conditions. It's quick, simple, and way cheaper than paying a shop. Give it a try your Volvo and your wallet will thank you. Total work time 10 minutes.